Ginoo ko. Ha? Lapinig?
Lalo lapinig ya.
Kadyo lang na naging sila nga na daw lapinig sa ilalong nagapamaak. Hello people! Hi, Bernie Bean, the place to be. Nasa kong wala dito, Inglesero. Una kong, di nasa ko right hand, left hand na. Siyempre ako nga misis na sa Pikas. O first time ko nakasakay og expedition. Ito, murag aeroplano may gala.
Super ferry.
Grabe ko sa kayo magpadagan may gala. Kaya na ako'y lugar nga atuan, nga nindot kaayo. I'm sure wako mo nakaadto. Sige, maghatakog tip. Ako karon sa Talakag, Bukidnon. Kaya na nag-imbitar ka na ko nga mula ang aning nga lugar ha. Nindot kayo, kabalo mo ni Bernie, hilig mga nature. So kailangan ko mo adto dito. Alright. So gikan sa actually gidagan na namong Cagayan de Oro padulong sa sentro nga Talakag. Mga pilata ka minutes.
29 and a half.
Mga 30 minutes lang, mga 30 minutes. Tapos karon nagsugod mi diri sa sentro sa Talakag padulong dito sa among atuan. Ba? Kung sa kaning lugar ha. Atangi, stay put na mo rin.
I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
Got the rap patrol on the Gat Patrol. Folks that want to make sure my casket's closed. Rap critics to say he's money cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid, what type of facts are those? If you grew up with hoes in your zapper toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dough. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef for radio if I don't play they show. They don't play my hits, well, I don't give a shit. So, Rap Max try to use my black ass, so advertisers give them more cash for ass fuckers.
Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the nature, baby. Oh my goodness! Kung na ay 7-Eleven, na ay 24/7. Oh, people around the bank. Alright. Spin na to tong hanging bridge. Come on. Ay, hello. Alilit. Muragi kang mautil. Itanawon lit na dito. Hello. Alright, people, come on. Alright. Talakag Bonsitas Fun Rides. Okay, actually, ingon sa Tag-iya, kani nga lugar napala sa mga 40% pa lang sa ilang mga plano. My God, grabe ka tugnaw. Nindot kay diri maglaag-laag. Alright, Lito.
Yeah.
Man, how's the nature, man?
Actually, it's very cold.
Very cold, ha? Very cold. Ano to rito? Try tanang hanging bridge. Very to sa hanging bridge. Let's go! Woo! Alright. So nice here. Look at that. I just love the nature, baby. Tanawa, ha? Kinsay makahuna-huna na diri mga dalan. Actually, kung mo shortcut mo Cagayan de Oro to Lantapan, Bukidnon, pwede na mo diri mo agi sa Talakag. Wala na, simentado na tanan. Alright? And look at this. Look at this. Woo! Nature, baby, and its finest. Nice. Na sila yung mga rides. Nara yung mga superhero diri. Iron Man, how are you doing? Oh, mauding nawala si Iron Man. Kaya naro diri sa Talakag, Bukidnon. How are you? Oh, nigahi siya sa katugnaw. So si Batman na ara. Man, how are you doing, man? Medyo nalibat ka. Nara. Yes. Sayang wala ko madala sila Rusty o si Ella diri kay siyempre na pa sila yung mga gipambuhat. But look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this, the playground. Come on. Look at the playground, baby. This is so nice. Hey, Captain America, how you doing, baby? Come on, talk to me, man. Talk to me. Oh, nagkitokhang, di mo tingog. Lito, lito. Right here. Nice. So na playground. Kusuga sa MR dire. Alright, here.
No ba?
There's an Incredible Hulk dire. Alright. Let's experience the hanging bridge. Ha. Grabe ka na kumay. Macho kinigan. Incredible Hulk. Nasa Talaca, Bukidnon. Dito, selfie. Experience hanging bridge, come on. Oh, so pwede naka-actually diri mukha o na restaurant dia unya nga madto ta natala kay malingkuran diri. Oh, diba? Nice. Look at the view, people. Look at that. Oh, baby. I just love the nature. Did you see that? Did you see that? Woo! Tugnaw kayo. And look at that at the back. Alright. Yo, man. Alright, so now let's experience the hanging bridge. Actually, medyo talawan na ko hanging bridge. Yay! Gino ko. Ha? Lapinig?
Lapinig ya.
Kadyo lang na naging sila nga na daw lapinig sa ilalong nagapamaap. Lison man sa nailapinig nga gatila. Kaya bali na nagbuo sa nagpuyo sa ilalom? Bong kaguno wala. Tor. Ay mamaak. Sayang gusto kong experience dito sa Tungaw. Bawal. Ila kong gigong basi napa daw mga kuan, napa daw mga kuan. Sitaw ka na? Lapinig daw may gala. Nasi Jollibee pero gagmay nga Jollibee. Ano tayo sa deck nila? Let's try this. Wow, it's really nice. Come on. It's very cold here. Love it. Bernie bitok-bitok. Nadri. Look at this. Look at this. Nawa.
Masinta rito, mas maapil na sa yung programa.
Grabe oh. Grabe kanindo to.
Grabe yun. Sige na. Oh, kita po. Lingkod mo bilang ha? Ang laki ay.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange.
Nakabalas ko. Thank you, sir.
Murag nakita na namo ang ulan padulong na diri. Pero grabe katugno lami mag-camping diri. Lami kay mag-camping diri, uban-uban. Medyo hapit na manggod maano. Hapit na hapon-hapon manggod na muna, ulahin na manggod mi. Pero kung masayo-sayuhan mo diri, las 5 na manggod actually. Lami kay diri. Oh, ulan magina padulong diri oh.
Yo, G, what up? Who's this pretty blonde chick taking bong rips? Park Ave, catching a cab the next morning. We party hard last night, I'm fucking exhausted. Headed back to my hood, I'm feeling nauseous. She said someone broke her heart, and now she's cautious. She thinks the fact that I'm a broke rapper is awesome. Tennis lessons, I wonder what those Lacoste did. So shout out to all the Rachels and Lawrence, mine players in the wintertime. 3 courses for dinner time, VIP, Patron and lime, smoking weed while we drinking wine. Me packing district, there was a line. Oh, we must have skipped it, or she must have sniffed it. Living recklessly, she said to me. She said to me,
you won't need a real job because I would love to pay for you.
pay for me, yeah.
Be a good man to me.
I could do that, yeah, I could do that.
I would love to pay for you. You are made for me.
Walking out of Barney's, copping hella shit. Caring for this lamb, skin is delicate. Paid like I'm selling it, but it's on my bitch, she's benevolent. 5 racks on my outfit, man, that's an estimate. Young and we decadent, she don't give a fuck.
O siyempre, dili pwede may tabo ang mga laag kung walay kaon! That's it guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Pakiclick sa subscribe below. Wala pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na! Alright? Dengan salamat. Bye! Kinsay ulitaw sa una dalaga na karon. Nabayuta ko. Mga parehan akong lawas nga medyo mga dagugtian nga parehan ako. Mabuhay mong tanan. Kato mga dagugtian ang mong kaulaw parehan ako. Mas may nalang dagugtian kaysa dagog likod. Mas lisod kaya ilakaw kung buktot ka.